So it was driving me crazy. I'm driving around with a check engine light for like 6 months. I actually put some I put some black tape on the dashboard to hide the check engine light. But if you're a truck guy, you know that drives you a little crazy. So a friend of mine who's a mechanic suggested cleaning the throttle body. And although I'm pretty proactive about maintenance, I had never even considered cleaning the throttle body. So, of course, checked YouTube, found a way to clean the throttle body on the second gen Tundra 5.7 liter engine. And it's a bit of a process. You can't just spray some foam in there. You have to take it apart from the engine, get at it from both sides with some old toothbrushes, some throttle body cleaner, use the official stuff, and really clean it out. That wasn't that bad, but 200,000 miles had never been cleaned. It was dirty. As soon as I cleaned it, my check engine light disappeared about 24 hours later. So it was driving me crazy. So if you keep getting the mass airflow sensor code P0101 after you've replaced with a factory mass airflow sensor, there's a good chance cleaning your throttle body will resolve the problem. The other thing is that if you do it right, your engine, after you clean the throttle body, will be idling at a very high speed. Now, that's a good sign. That means you did it right, and the computer has been compensating for the dirty throttle body. Now, after a few weeks, of course, the engine will learn the new setting, and you're good to go, and the idle will return to normal. However, if you Google how to reset Toyota idle speed on the computer, there's a little process you go through, starting, stopping, etc., and you'll get that computer reset to the factory idle speed right away. You should have perfect idle, a great running vehicle, and no check engine light, at least as far as the mass airflow sensor code goes. So if it's been driving you crazy like it was driving me crazy, hopefully this helps. Take care.